Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family, and I would love that you not miss any of my videos if you like to be notified of them. So just hit the subscribe button below and the little bell next to it and you'll be notified. If you're also new, the screaming in the background is my children. Anyway, here we go. So today, I haven't showed you one of these in a long time. These are wallpaper pouches, and I have two to show you today. So I thought it was a great opportunity to show you the differences in what you could possibly get. I'll put the link below where you can have one specially made for you. It is a zippered pouch that is made from wallpaper. And so here's the two different designs that I have. This one has a purple hints to it. This one is for Julie. This one has kind of more brownish, peachish hints to it. This one is for Lori Louise. And pretty much what they are is a reusable zippered pouch that I make that is decorated. There's a removable tassel and then everything inside that you need to make a 5x7 junk journal. So I'm going to show you kind of an idea of what you would get. So beautiful textured wallpaper. I added some tassel trim to the front. Here's the tassel. I kept the tassels very simple because I used really pretty gold accents. And then you're just going to take a little bulb pin that I'll include, and you can just attach that right to the journal after you're done making it. I also added one of these little pretty like flowers to the zipper. So this one has a brown zipper, and then inside is everything you need to make the journal. So it's a kit in a pouch, and then the pouch is reusable as a pencil pouch or a scrapbooking pouch or a, you could use it as like a makeup bag, but I don't know how long it would last for that because it is just made out of wallpaper. It's not like really washable or anything. So get everything out. I can show you what I put in these ones. Each ones are going to be different, but this one is a basic brown cover that I did some flower stitching on. They kind of look like butterflies or flowers. And then she can totally decorate the cover. And then here's the pages. There's going to be 40 pages, so 10 pages folded in half. They got some foiled pages. I put some coffee dyed papers in. I put some book pages. So these are floral botanical themed. That's kind of what I went for because I usually let the wallpaper that I have inspire me. And I never know exactly what wallpaper I will have on hand because it's kind of hard to come by these days, honestly. So here is, you know, everything she can use for that. And then here's just all the extras and all the goodies. So there's a floral slide. This one is from 1978. There's little like punch outs. There's some lace if she wants to make a closure, or she could use it for something else. There's homemade stitched washi, I call it. You just put glue on the back and put it on any page that you want. Little Monopoly money. There's little scraps of paper for making tuck spots, pockets, journal cards, collage. There's a little piece of measure tape. There's some stitched pockets or tuck spots that she can glue on. And then little bits and pieces from Seneca Pond and Victoria Designs. There's a Tim Holtz card. There's tags, and there's a little bee ephemera. There's cutouts from books. And so one of these would be beautiful on the cover if she wanted to put that on the cover. There's ephemera, like this is from my yellow floral kit. That would be pretty on the cover as well. Here's a playing card or a game card, a little bag that would be cute on an inside cover or a back. Here's half of a gold doily, so that would be pretty on the edge of a page or bottom or top. A little envelope that could either go on an inside cover or clipped on a page. And then just a piece of green cardstock for backing something. Here's some more stitched washi. There's vine stitches and kind of like a lattice stitch. This is the same wallpaper as the pouch, and I made a paper ribbon. Here is a clear see-through Rolodex. She can stick ephemera or extra things in. There's an addition card, another game card, some fabric pieces for collage. And then a little bag with buttons and clips and thread to sew it with. And I'm sticking a bulb pin in there because I forgot that. So that is everything that comes in this one for Lori Louise. So when you order one, let's just talk about lead times right now. As of today, when this is going up, the lead times that it says if you go to the announcement on my shop, this would be a custom order, so it would say 8 to 12 weeks because I'm really behind. It will probably get it out to you before then because I am rapidly catching up, but you do have to just allow me some time. Once I get totally caught up and back on Steam, this should be something that would ship out within a week or so because I do need to totally create it and construct it. If you have any design elements that you specifically love, you can put it in the notes section, but there is no absolute guarantee because it is based off of the wallpaper that I have, and I don't necessarily have everything. But I thought these were so gorgeous. Go. You'll get the same basic elements, and I've made some of these before and posted them on my channel, so you can look back and see if you can find those pouches. Here we go. So there's that one. This one is for Julie, and so there's a slightly different feel. This one I think has almost a late summer, autumn-ish type feel to it. This one is more like spring into summer with a tiny, tiny touch of this fall with the gold. Again, here's just a very simple tassel because of the gold. There's so many laces in here. It's just beautiful. Here, the little flower is white on the zipper. This one has a white zipper, and then it has a purple fabric ruffle with a purple flower and a purple button. And then I made these at the same time, so they are almost identical with just a slightly different color scheme. So let me get everything out of here, and we'll go through this so you can kind of see the... And what's really neat, you can see the wallpaper, the backing in there, and the information on it. I think that's pretty cool. All right, so here's the cover on this one. It is a purple, and then the pages are similar. And then, again, I have various, like she can cut these down, put them on the cover if she wants to. Again, envelope, more flowers. Here's her washi. It's the same, just the purple. And then here's ephemera. I just do whatever comes naturally to me at the time. It's not like I put bags in every single one or doilies in every single one. I just add stuff from my stash that I think goes well with it and that I think that, you know, would be nice as decorations. There's a little butterfly, some tags. This one's really pretty. This is from my yellow ephemera kit, so that would be gorgeous on the cover as well. This is from Victoria Designs again, and Seneca Pond. There's a butterfly punched out of that, so that's pretty. This is like a textured paper. There's some like scarf fabric in this one from India. Some pieces of upholstery fabric to make pockets or tuck spots or embellishments. This is a really heavy fabric. Another wallpaper. There's a pink clear one here. There's a little butterfly playing card. There's lace. Some brown textured tuck spots, and then a bag of buttons and gems and clips and thread. And I will add, did I already lose that? I had a second ball pin, so that will go in here, and I'll get that before I... It's amazing how these things just disappear. So I'll get that and put it in there. So I hope that gives you an idea. So much fun. I hope that you will order one and that I will have the honor of making you one. They're so much fun. I can't wait to see what you guys create with them. Go to my Facebook group, Nevermore Creations, Junk Journals, and Friends, and post pictures. I'd love to see them.